Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS for the LifterLMS Quiz System course. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grade quizzes. So far in the course, we've been going through how you can create quizzes for your students, and in this episode, we're going to go through how you can grade those. What we're going to want to do is head to the WP admin here. We'll head to LifterLMS, and I'm going to head to the reporting under the LifterLMS tab there. All right, so now we can see the LifterLMS reporting system. To head to the quizzes, there's a couple ways to get there. We can go through courses, but I'm just going to go through quizzes right here at the top. And I can see all my quizzes here. The one we've been working with was the congratulations quiz. That's the one. There's a quiz at the end of this lesson here, the congratulations quiz. If you want to try that out, that's the quiz right here. I'll click in there. And we can see an overview of the quiz, things like attempts today, average grade of today, attempts and fails. So if you have a lot of users taking your quizzes, this area here can present some great data. You can also change this to be yesterday, this week, this month to get some more analytics there. But what we're going to want to do is head over to attempts here. And we can see the attempts in the quiz. And I can see Chris Badgett has tried out the quiz and he had 100% pass. So let's jump in and grade the quiz. So in order to grade it, we'll click right here on the ID. And we can see here all of the questions there. And as the instructor or admin myself, I can drop these down and see what Chris chose there for the answers to the questions. And as you can see, I have some gray ones here. These are the manually graded questions. And this is where I'll want to start a review and grade him. So for fill in the blank, we can see we can grade that. This fill in the blank question type can be automatically graded if you choose to have a specific correct answer. But for my quiz there, I chose not to do that. And we can see here, this would be the short answer question type we had in there. And then the long answer question type, or the essay type. And then we did have a content question type. The content question type, as we went over, just allows you to tell your students some information. There's no interaction there, just some information. And then the code question type here. So what I'll do is I'll start a review in order to grade this. And I can leave some remarks to the student on each of these questions here. And so I'll leave these blank, but let's head down to one of the manual ones. And I can say, hey, you did a great job. And then leave those remarks for the students once I click Save Review. But I'll go through and I'll review all these and let the student know how they did, maybe critique anything they said here, or respond in some way. And then what I'll do is I'll save the review once I'm satisfied with this here. And now what the student can do is when they're in their LifterLMS account there on the front end, they'll be able to see that feedback from the instructor right there. Hey, you did a great job. So that's an overview on the LifterLMS reporting. And that about wraps up the LifterLMS quiz system. Thanks for joining me in this course, and have fun making quizzes with Lifter.